Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Justice Gosen Osamuyime. I'm the owner of Crypto Portal. I'm a blockchain technologist and a content crypto writer. So if you are new to this channel, just know that this channel is based on educative videos on blockchain technology. So if it's your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first to get it. And also do well to join our Telegram community, because on this community Telegram channel we drop educative content on the cryptocurrency and the blockchain space, and also assist individuals in terms of their guides to cryptocurrency. So do well to join our Telegram community. And on this video I'm going to be talking on the Binance lock staking. I'm earning coins on the Binance lock staking. So stay tuned to this video and make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to drop step by step guide to how you can successfully stake your coin on Binance lock staking and start to earn coin. Stay tuned to the end of this video so that you won't miss any step to get on our hand coins on Binance lock staking. And also I will be showing the proof at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now you just click on more. Once you click on more, you click on staking. Once you click on staking, now you can see that we are on the page of staking and also the DeFi staking. But basically we'll be focusing on the staking. Now what is staking? Staking is just simply staking your coin, putting your coin on a blockchain, and the blockchain is secured by a smart contract, and in the process of that you'll be rewarded with tokens. Now the amount of duration depends on you. Let's say for example you want to stake for 30 days, you want to stake for 60 days, you want to stake for 90 days. Now also know that the duration, based on how the duration is based on the percent you will get, based on the high percent you will get. Let's say now you can see the 30 days is low, the 60 days is a bit higher, and the 90 days is more higher. Now you can see that just it. Now let's say for example you want to stake any coin, and you just search on the coin, any coin you want to stake, you just search for it. Let's go for ADA, and you search for ADA. Now you can see the ADA, you can see the 90% duration, you can see the annual percentage interest you want to get. Now you can also see the 30 days, the 60 days, and for the 90 days duration. You get anyone you want to stake for this, you just take based on the amount of the days of duration you want it to last. Now once you have gotten it, then just click on stake now you can see that we are on the page on stake. Now all you have to do is just click on the quantity you want to stake. Once you click on the quantity you want to stake, then you can view the summary. Let me just click on 200 ADA. And you can see that after the 90 days I will be earning estimate interest of 5.5 ADA, and you can see the estimate interest is 5.5 ADA, and you can see the stake date, which is the day I'm going to be staking it, and the valid date, and the interest date, the day my interest is going to be paid is just a day. Yet every day my interest will be paid. And also you can see the redemption date. And that just is after you have read through the summary, you just click on I accept. I have read and agreed to Binance staking service agreement. Then once you click on it, then just confirm. Now know that it's because I don't have ADA in my spot wallet, that's why I cannot confirm this. Now you can see the duration. Now also know that is based on the coin you want to shoot, because they don't have fixed interest, they don't have fixed annual interest. Now you can there are other coins with higher interest. Now there are other coins. You can see this BTTC. You can see that. You can see the higher the duration, the higher the percent. Now there are also coin like that. You can also see the ANC. Now you can see higher. You can see the I. You can see with higher the duration, higher the percent, and you can also see ASTR. You can see now this sold out has been taken now, which means people have already occupied this 90 days. Now so you can see the 60 days is occupied, and also the 30 days is also occupied, and you can see the minimum lock amount, which is the minimum amount you have to stake, which will be locked is 0.1 ASTR. Now also you can also see the rest. Now you can also see the rest. Once you will take note in staking is just the percentage, the duration, and the minimum amount is needed for that particular pool. Now once you have staken your coin, you just have to go to the page of earnings, which is your wallet. Just click on your wallet, then you click on earnings. When you click on earnings, time you can see any coin you stake on that pool, it will be available here. it will be available right here. As you can see the coin that I've staked, which is the SHIB and the BNB. You get what this was just for the sake of the tutorial. Now you can see the coin I've staked. Now if you want to also redeem, you just have to click on your coin. Once, don't redeem now, because if you redeem now, you will only be paid what your principal, which is your capital. You get to use in staking. You won't get the interest again. They will take their interest back. So you just have to wait for the completed date, the assigned date, the deal date, what you agree with the SN, which is you feed, which is the 120 days, as you can see what here. Now we have come to the end of this video. Kindly do well to share this video, kindly do well to support the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly do well to subscribe, and don't forget to join our Telegram community, because we drop updates on what cryptocurrency, educational stuff, and what informative stuff. And don't also forget that we also guide newbies in terms of their cryptocurrency journey. Now you can check the link of our Telegram channel in the description below. Now see you on our next video.